Hey there, so Mrs. Gleason here, and I'm going to show you how to use AirDrop on your iPad. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that AirDrop is turned on. So I'm going to turn off that menu just so you can see it again. I take my finger in the upper right hand corner and I just kind of slide towards the center. When AirDrop is on, this blue symbol right here next to the airplane that looks like an upside down Pac-Man or a little bit like a fingerprint, that needs to be blue. And if you tap it, you want to have it blue and checked for everyone. And once it's checked for everyone and it is blue, then that means whatever iPad is receiving what you're sending them will have that opportunity for the AirDrop to work for them. So now I am going to send something. So if you go to your photos, is a place where you'll send a lot of stuff from. And let's see if I can just grab something to send. So let's say I was going to send this picture right here. The symbol that you want to look for is the square with the up arrow in it. And you'll find that in apps as well. The square with the up arrow is the universal symbol for sharing. Some apps have a different symbol, but for the most part, that's what you'll see. So if I tap the share button, it will give me some options. And what you want to choose is AirDrop, because we're going to do an AirDrop. And then you'll have choices of who to send it to. And I'm going to just send it to my MacBook Air, but I could send it to another iPad or an iPhone. I'm going to choose my Mac. And then on the receiving end, whoever's receiving it has to click accept. And then that's all they have to do, and then it will AirDrop to them. I'm going to AirDrop something to this so you can see the other end of the process. So if I go to my Mac and choose something, and I'm also looking for the square with the up arrow, and then I'm going to click AirDrop, and then I choose from here where I'm going to send it to. And I didn't get the accept button because my iPads are connected with one another, but you will need to click accept. If you're using it in an app like Book Creator, which is something that you will find very useful for sharing if you make kind of a digital workbook for your students, then this is what you could do. So let me just show you how to do that. So again, you're looking for the square right here with the up arrow, universal symbol, and I'm going to click that. And I'm going to click export as an EPUB, and then you choose AirDrop, and then you choose who to share it to. And then the student receiving it on the other end, or a colleague, if you're sharing it with a colleague so they can use it with other students, they will have to click accept, and they will have to click open in Book Creator. And then they'll have it as well to work on. If you have any questions, as always, reach out to your tech coach and we can help you out. Thank you.